In this video, I'm going to show you how to create viral UGC ads using AI for your dropshipping store. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to see my exact strategy to create realistic AI videos. Now, the first thing that we're going to have to do is find a product to sell. One of my favorite methods right now to find winning products is using the Cal Data Spy tool. And I came across this product, which is currently going viral. As you can see, has gotten 15.36 million views and has done $108,000 in sales. Because it is proven to sell on TikTok Shop, we now can take this video ad and this product and create a AI UGC video based off it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come here and download the video script. We're going to use this script and plug it into ChatGPT to create a script for our AI UGC creator, even if you have no copywriting experience. So we're going to go ahead and copy this script, and just to show you what the video looks like, let me play it real quick.
Q-tip too far into your ear. You can actually poke through your eardrum.
Do your ears always feel itchy after a shower? Guys, that's because your earwax is clogged and it's caused by using Q-tips. This is an earwax removal tool with a built-in camera. As you can see, it can clearly see where the earwax is hiding and remove the brain from the earwax little by little. After the earwax was cleaned, I felt that my hearing became better and my mind became clearer.
Now that we have a script to use, we're going to plug into ChatGPT to create a script for our AI UGC creator. So here is the script being pasted in, and then we're going to tell ChatGPT, please create me a better script for this product that will work perfectly to get people to stop scrolling and buy my product. Buy this product. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT created a script for our AI UGC creator, which we're then going to go ahead and plug it into a tool called ArcAds. So first, we're going to ask for the entire script to be spit out without any emojis. And something I do want to switch is that we aren't going to sell this product for $10, so I will change the value in the offer section. Let's go ahead and get that generated so we can create our AI UGC creator. Now, as you can see, I asked ChatGPT to create two different versions here, one for a direct-to-consumer version and a one for a doctor-recommended version, which you will see I'll be using that for our AI UGC creator. So now that we have the script, let's go into ArcAds. Now, coming into ArcAds, I will leave the link down below. We'll be able to add an actor to your videos. So you can see that there's tons of UGC creators to choose from. And what we're going to try to go after is more of a doctor approach. So it almost comes off across as like people need this product for health reasons. We want to look for a realistic version of a doctor. So we're going to come here to the left-hand side and we're going to come down and then we're going to click on medical. As you can see, there's a ton of AI creators that we can use. Let's go ahead and find the one that's perfect for us. So what I'm looking for is one that is looking at the camera. So this one looks actually really good. I'm going to select Jacob. And then,
hey you, welcome to ArcAds. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads.
And I really like this one as well. So we're going to go ahead and press on add actors. Then we're going to go ahead and upload our script. We're going to go ahead and copy the second script that ChatGPT gave us, press on add script. And the only thing we're going to change is the hook. So I like this hook, stop using Q-tips, and we're going to paste that in here. And then we're going to upload it. Now, as you can see, each UGC creator is 1 credit. So because I chose 2 of them, I'll be using 2 of my credits. So let's press generate video. And just like that, ArcAds is going to create the script into the UGC creators and make the AI version for the ad script that we need. Now, while the AI UGC creators are being generated, let's go ahead and download some content that we're going to use inside our ad. Obviously, we're not going to just have these AI UGC creators talk to the camera because it's going to feel unrealistic. And we want to use it alongside some great B-roll content that we're going to go ahead and find on TikTok. So now that we're on TikTok, we're going to look up this exact product, earwax removal camera. And what we're going to do is we're going to download a bunch of these videos here.
When I learned that
So this is going to be the first video we're going to download. We're going to go to Snaptic to download these videos. As you can see, we're going to plug it in here and press download in HD. Okay, let's go ahead and download a few more.
We got the little Cyrus is going to go.
This one's a good video. Download video. This one will download as well. This one looks good as well. We're really looking for as many viral clips that we can use as B-roll, but also some that don't have too much text on top. Okay, downloaded. Now that we got those clips downloaded, let's go ahead and put the B-roll in CapCut, which is a tool that I use to edit all my e-commerce video ads. So the most important thing about a viral e-com ad is a hook, a good hook that captures your audience when they're scrolling on TikTok or Instagram. You just need them to stop scrolling. So we have to put something that captivates their attention. Let's put this clip over here because I think it's something that's unique and that's very interesting.
Further in, instead of cleaning, I got this wireless ear pick. It's a must-have.
Okay, and then we're gonna split it right over here. I'm gonna delete the rest. I'll split it right over here. We want to show as many exciting faces as possible. Then we're gonna cut it over here. Delete the rest. We want to have exciting moments. So.
Further in, instead of cleaning.
And also let's extract the audio. Delete the audio because we're going to use our own voiceovers. Let's extract the audio. This one's way too long. Let's go ahead and cut it here. Okay, let's extract the audio. Okay, now as you can see, I've taken the clips we downloaded from TikTok and I've put it together into a really compelling ad of a bunch of B-roll of people using the product and introducing the product. I started the video off with a video of someone pushing a Q-tip into their ear and pushing the earwax even further in. And now we're gonna go on and take the AI UGC creator video that ArcAds have delivered to us and put it into CapCut, and let's see how it comes out. So this is the first video here.
Stop using Q-tips. They're not cleaning your ears. They're making them worse. As a doctor, I see a lot of patients come in with ear discomfort.
That's pretty good. We're going to edit it up and make it even better.
Q-tip.
Let's look at this one.
Stop using Q-tips. They're not cleaning your ears.
Oh, that's
They're making them
better.
worse.
That's so good.
As a doctor, I see a lot of patients come in with ear discomfort, itching, or reduced hearing.
Okay, that's so good. So let's go ahead and download this one. Cool. And then we're going to upload it into CapCut. We can make it smaller. CapCut also has a really cool feature to actually remove the background, auto removal. And just like that, it's removed the background. So we're going to put it here on the corner. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move all of these spaces where he pauses to make sure it's as realistic as possible.
Stop using Q-tips. They're not cleaning your ears.
This is so good. All I need to do is just take out that random pauses that the AI is doing here. Okay, let's take a look at the first version of the ad. Obviously, we're going to edit this and make it even more realistic. This is coming out pretty sweet.
Stop using Q-tips. They're not cleaning your ears. They're making them worse. As a doctor, I see a lot of patients come in with ear discomfort, itching, or reduced hearing. And more often than not, it's caused by improper use of Q-tips. Q-tips push earwax deeper into the ear canal, which can lead to blockages and even damage. That's why I recommend using a smart ear cleaner with a built-in camera.
Crazy.
It allows you to safely and effectively remove wax by seeing exactly where it is without risking your eardrum. It's easy to use, non-invasive, and much safer than traditional methods. Right now, there's a buy one, get one free offer available, which is a great opportunity to grab one for yourself and someone you care about.
That's so good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to make him speak a tiny bit faster. So here's what we can do. We're going to select him. Then we can go to speed. We can go to, let's say, 1.2.
Stop using Q-tips. They're not cleaning your ears. They're making them worse. As a doctor.
Oh, that's so much better. Okay, let's bring these closer. All right, let's take a look at this version.
Stop using Q-tips. They're not cleaning your ears. They're making them worse. As a doctor, I see a lot of patients come in with ear discomfort, itching, or reduced hearing. And more often than not, it's caused by improper use of Q-tips. Q-tips push earwax deeper into the ear canal, which can lead to blockages and even damage. That's why I recommend using a smart ear cleaner with a built-in camera. It allows you to safely and effectively remove wax by seeing exactly where it is without risking your eardrum. It's easy to use, non-invasive, and much safer than traditional methods. Right now, there's a buy one, get one free offer available, which is a great opportunity to grab one for yourself and someone you care about.
That's so good. Oh my gosh, that's actually crazy. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to remove him a little bit. Now for the last thing we're going to add here is some text on the top to cover up what we have over here. Now for the text, what I usually like to do is go to the TikTok shop videos that went viral and use something similar. As you can see, They're pretty inappropriate, so we're not gonna use them for the context of this video, but we'll use this one right up here. I'm gonna add it in here just like that. And then we're going to change the color to black. And then coming down here, we're gonna add a background of white. We're gonna make the width a little bit longer, just like that. And the height a tad longer as well. Let's see how that
Stop using Q-tips. They're not cleaning your ears. They're making them worse. As a doctor, I see a lot of patients.
And we're gonna extend the text. Okay, and we're gonna add one more text here.
Oh, there's a buy one, get one free offer available, which is a great opportunity to grab one for yourself and someone you care about.
Sick. Now it's time to export the video and see how it came out. Okay, now it is time for the final reveal of ad number 1 using ArcAd's AI UGC creator. And I'm pretty impressed. This was like my official first time actually doing this live. So pat on the back. That was sick. Let's take a look at it.
Stop using Q-tips. They're not cleaning your ears. They're making them worse. As a doctor, I see a lot of patients come in with ear discomfort, itching, or reduced hearing. And more often than not, it's caused by improper use of Q-tips. Q-tips push earwax deeper into the ear canal, which can lead to blockages and even damage. That's why I recommend using a smart ear cleaner with a built-in camera. It allows you to safely and effectively remove wax by seeing exactly where it is without risking your eardrum. It's easy to use, non-invasive, and much safer than traditional methods. Right now, there's a buy one, get one free offer available, which is a great opportunity to grab one for yourself and someone you care about.
Oh my goodness. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below if you have any questions. And of course, I'm sure this is just going to get better and better and better. Shout out to ArcAds once again. Use the link in my description. And I look forward to seeing all the amazing creatives that you guys make with these AI UGC creators. AI is just getting crazier and crazier every single day. So it's time to learn about these things and implement it inside your business. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.